Want to create your Phemex account in just a few minutes and unlock exclusive bonuses? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, enter the referral code i.e. 78V7, and complete KYC step by step. Phemex is a trusted crypto exchange offering spot, futures, and copy trading. By registering with referral code i.e. 78V7, you can access rewards, higher withdrawal limits, and full platform features right from the start. Why sign up and verify? Here's why. Completing your sign up and KYC is important. You unlock access to the rewards hub and welcome bonuses. You can deposit and withdraw fiat currencies. Your account becomes more secure and recovery is easier if you lose access. How to sign up? Now let's go through the sign up process. Click the link in the description. Enter your email and create a strong password, or register quickly using Google, Apple, Twitter, Telegram, or a Web3 wallet. Don't forget to enter referral code i.e. 78V7 during registration to claim your rewards. Verify your email with the confirmation link or code sent to your inbox. That's it, your account is created. How to complete KYC next? Let's verify your identity. Go to your profile and select verification. Choose your country of residence. Upload the front and back of a valid ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Take a selfie for liveness detection. Wait a few minutes while Phemex reviews your documents. Once approved, you'll have higher withdrawal limits and access to fiat services, with KYC versus without KYC. Without KYC, you're limited to basic trading and smaller withdrawals. With KYC completed, you can withdraw larger amounts, enjoy exclusive bonuses, and have peace of mind with extra account security. It's the smarter choice for anyone serious about trading on Phemex. Make sure your photos are clear and your personal details are correct. If your KYC fails, check the guidelines and try again. Ready to start? Click the sign up link in the description, enter referral code i.e. 78V7, and complete your KYC today to claim your rewards. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Phemex sign up tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your journey begins with referral code i.e. 78V7. See you inside Phemex.